Okay, on this one, what we have is these deep bulbs. So we got to get rid of that, and also when we take it all the way back to where the low point of that bulb is, then my angle will be wrong to flake the flat side. So what I'll do is I'll take some of these out and I'll show you a little bit. Get right in there and get rid of them low spots. And you say, well, it should be a real wide arrowhead. Well, you know, this will finish up as being like that probably, if I don't do a lot of bad hits, which I've been known to do. So you look at this thing here now, I rake that down to those points, and right in here there's a place to take some out in here. But what happens a lot of times when you do that, the angle is wrong. These are not bad yet, but I gotta get that tip flattened out. You can see it's got, I did this, I gotta get that flattened more. And to do these, okay, now here's a place where I can run them to the ridge side, because if you hit it right there, it will dip too far in. So you gotta flake it to the ridge side to get that angle correct to flake it on the flat side. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I'll be doing. So I took that flake out, and you can see it would have been too steep to hit it. Like, no, that takes that out. So there is going to be my new platform that will be angled right to flake it the other way. Okay, I'll do a little more on this. These are still not right, so I just flake here. Okay, still. So this side is starting to look a little better. Still need some good flakes coming in here. And I could take it all the way in here already, but I don't want to do that, because you come in here, you have like a diving flake or ones that do not terminate well. It'll show a poor scar. So I just wait until I'm good and ready. And that's the one thing to learn from napping for a long time. You'll learn that. Flake a little more on this flat side. Here's where I've taken that flake out where the angle was wrong. See, that's too steep, so I gotta hit it right on top of that little ridge. It's more than I wanted, but it'll work. And you also have to, at some point, take some of these out so you can kind of see how your line, if it's going to align itself. these are all being used to set up to flake that flat yet. Okay, now I got a braid.